And well, we couldn't avoid all rainfalls, but it ain't so bad. At least it ain't the torrential downpour. It wasn't scheduled till about 12 o'clock this afternoon, but it's been on and off pretty much for the last hour and a half. It's okay. It's refreshing. And what choice do you got? You can't let it stop you. Are you effing kidding me? Oh. It's hot and a lot of climbing. All right. So we've been at it for almost about 5 hours now. Clocked in about 18.5K. Unbelievable. We've climbed at least 500 meters of elevation. That's when you saw me dying before. I'm coming back to life slowly. And we're about to enter the town of Laje or Lahe.
Hopefully they have a toilet there.
So yeah, we did that this morning, right through that mountain, right to here. Québec, c'est Eric, Stéphane, bon, et Chantal. Bonjour! So my next funny video is the same time? 1, 2, 3. Buen camino!